Ever wondered how to concoct your own slime at home? Well, curiosity is the first step to discovery, and today we're going to unravel the secret of creating your very own ooey gooey goodness. First things first, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need half a cup of white glue, half a cup of water, a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of contact lens solution. The solution must contain boric acid, so make sure to check the label. If you're feeling a bit adventurous, you can also grab some food coloring to jazz things up. Our first step is to blend the glue and water. Simply pour both into a bowl and stir until they're well combined. To add a splash of fun, drop in some food coloring and mix until it's evenly distributed. Next, the baking soda makes its grand entry. Stir it into the mixture until it's entirely incorporated, bringing a new dimension to our budding slime. Now it's time for the magic touch, the contact lens solution. Add it 1 tablespoon at a time, stirring after each addition. Watch as the mixture transforms before your eyes, becoming slime-like and pulling away from the sides of the bowl. Once you've achieved the perfect slime consistency, it's time to get your hands dirty. Pluck the slime from the bowl and knead it. If it feels too sticky, don't hesitate to add a bit more solution and knead again. Finally, the moment of truth. Stretch it, squish it, play to your heart's content. When you're done, store your slime in an airtight container for future fun. As a quick recap, we combined glue and water, added some food coloring, stirred in baking soda, mixed in contact lens solution, and kneaded until we achieved the perfect slime consistency. Remember, cleanliness is key when creating and playing with slime. Always wash your hands before and after. If you're making slime with young ones, keep an eye on them to ensure they don't ingest any ingredients. And be careful not to get slime on fabrics or carpets, as it can be a bit stubborn to remove. So there you have it, a simple, fun, and safe way to create your own slime at home. Happy sliming!